10 reasons why you should invest in gold in 2024. 1. Stable value. Gold has maintained its value for centuries, acting as a reliable hedge against inflation and economic instability. 2. Inflation hedge. With rising inflation, gold's price typically increases, helping to preserve wealth. 3. Portfolio diversification. Gold reduces risk by balancing other investments, often moving inversely to other asset classes. 4. Economic safe haven. During financial crises, gold's demand rises as investors seek security, boosting its price. 5. High liquidity. Gold can be easily bought and sold worldwide, offering quick access to cash when needed. 6. Scarcity and demand. Limited supply and growing demand, especially from emerging markets, support gold's value. 7. Geopolitical stability. Gold retains value amid global tensions, making it a reliable investment across political landscapes. 8. Industrial use. Gold's use in electronics, medical devices, and renewable energy increases its industrial demand. 9. Central bank reserves. Central banks are boosting their gold reserves, reflecting its stability and enhancing its value. 10. Tax benefits and wealth preservation. Gold can offer tax advantages and is ideal for long-term wealth preservation. Investing in gold in 2024 is a prudent strategy due to its stability, inflation protection, and portfolio benefits. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.